watching. We are fishing and I got a fish on the line, not on the shore yet. But there is a fish on the line, see? Look over there. Wow. Thank you for watching. It should be nice fish, I think. Should be good size. Oh, this is good size. Oh man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me pull it up. Oh wow, this is good fish. Good fish. Look at this fish. Trout. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Our third fish today. Wow, so beautiful. Little beauty. Hold it, baby. Hold it. We show. Wow. You like it? You cold? Huh? Is you cold? Wow, look at this fish. So nice. Big one, baby?
Yeah.
You not scared of it?
No.
You sure? It's not gonna bite you? Yeah? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.